Hello everyone, I am Sumit Madi, student of College of Engineering Pune, studying in third year of Mechanical Engineering. Under the course of Analysis and Synthesis of Mechanisms, me and my teammates Pushkar Shukla, Nikhil Sonone and Aditya Ukale have done a project on synthesis of a foldable seat, which is basically a 4-bar mechanism. This project is done under the guidance of Professor Abhishek Patange sir. The applications in which the seat is used nowadays are cars, SUVs, buses, travels, etc. The mechanism we are dealing with can be used in making foldable tables, foldable chairs, or foldable doors of buses. The mechanism is basically a 4-bar mechanism, of which input and output lengths are assumed. The mechanism is synthesized using two position relative pole synthesis method. The two positions are open position and folded position. In open position, the seat is perpendicular to the backrest, and in closed position, the seat is parallel to the backrest. Then we have done graphical analysis for velocities and accelerations of each link. Then Pushkar Shukla have prepared a Creo model of it, and we have checked it for the transfer of motion from input link and output link. The problem statement we are dealing with here is designing a 4-bar mechanism for folding of seat, which are used in buses for extra passengers. The length of seat can be assumed to be 300 mm and the distance of ground from the seat to be 450 mm. This problem can be used in preparing foldable chairs and foldable tables too, as I explained earlier. This image shows the links, one pointing the coupler, two pointing the input link, three the fixed link, and four the output link. The image shown here is just for a reference taken from internet. It is not direct resemblance of the mechanism we are dealing with. Now one of my teammate will take you further.
Here, mainly we have made three assumptions. Length of the output link is assumed to be 300 mm since it would be sufficient to support the seat. Length of the fixed link is assumed as 350 mm. Angles are decided as per the requirement of positions. Input angle theta varies from 0 to 180 degree and output angle phi varies from 0 to 90 degree. Synthesis of current problem is done using two position synthesis using relative pole method. As you can see from figure, initially fixed link is drawn. Then C1, C2 and D1, D2 are considered according to the angles of two positions of input and output link. Point P is the relative pole. Graphically, lengths of other two links are found to be 105 mm and 545 mm. Same is checked analytically using Freudenstein equation, which is cos of theta minus phi equal to k1 plus k2 cos phi minus k3 cos theta, where k1 equal to a square plus c square plus d square minus b square upon 2ac, k2 equal to d by a, k3 equal to d by c. After putting values, we get two equations. These equations are solved to get the length of link. It is found out that the analytical and graphical values of length of the input link and coupler is exactly same.
Now we will see the velocity and acceleration analysis. Assuming that the output link, that is the seat, should take 2 seconds to fold, that is, to move from the horizontal position to the folded position, it was calculated that the angular velocity of the output link should be 0.78 radians per second. Velocity analysis was carried out to find the angular velocity of the input link. The velocity triangle was drawn with a suitable scale. It was found out that the angular velocity of the input link should be about 3.54 radians per second. Angular velocity of other links was also found out. Then the acceleration diagram was drawn with a suitable scale. The acceleration of all the links was found out. After this, a 3D model was made in the software PTC Creo Parametric. Animation was done of the movement of the links. We have taken references of YouTube videos and some books. We had submitted the report and the reviewer had asked us to make some improvements. We have tried to satisfy his queries. Now, Aditya will tell how he fabricated the model.
This is the mechanism that has been developed. So this is the input link, this is the follower, this is the output link, and this is the fixed link. This is the first position and this is the side view of the seat. This is the second position and this is how the mechanism works.